Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can show or hide the favorites toolbar on TradingView. This is useful to quickly access your favorite tools, indicators, and scripts without cluttering your workspace. Make sure that you have the trading account and the full version or plan to see all of the features. So once you've logged into your account, just select any chart of your choice and just click full chart and what you will have to do once you're here is you will just have to look for the star or favorites icon. So it should be somewhere right here, but it really depends on the layout of your screen. So yeah, you just gotta have to be careful at searching for it. So yeah, anyway, or you could also search for it if you cannot find it. So yeah. So it should be like uh it should look something like this. However, if you cannot find it, then you should make sure first that you actually have that feature on your version. So anyway, once you find that favorite button, you will just have to click it, and then you will click the arrow or star icon, and then you will toggle the visibility, and then the toolbar will appear or hide instantly. And if you want to customize your favorites, then you will just have to add your frequently used tools, and then you will click add to favorites. So yeah, you will remove unnecessary items by clicking remove from favorites. So yeah, that's basically just it. And again, you do have to make sure that you actually have this feature so that you will be able to actually do it. So yeah, that's basically just it, and I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.